Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. And in our last video, we have discussed about the chapter number 5 and we have discussed about the explanation of the chapter number 5. And in this video, we are going to explain about the worksheet of this chapter number 5. The chapter name is Zozo's Pet. Now, students, listen carefully. Come on, exercise A. Write A for true or F for false. So, students, in this exercises, you have to give answer according to the given statement. If your statement is true, then your answer will be true, and if your statement is wrong, then your answer will be false. So, student, now come on first. Zozo was looking for a baby bird. Is Zozo looking for a baby bird? Is this right? No, Zozo was not looking for a baby bird, but Jojo saw a baby bird in the bushes. So, the sentence is wrong. So, answer will be false. Now, come on second. Zozo's found a baby bird. Zozo's found a baby bird in the bushes. Is this statement is true or false? Yes, Jojo found a baby bird in the bushes. So, the answer will be true. Now, come on. Third, Zozo named his new pet Tweety. The little bird. The name which was given by Jojo to a little bird is Tweety. Is this statement is right or wrong? Right. So, the answer will be true. Now, come on. Fourth. Tweety hide the top in a bag. Is Tweety hide the top in a bag? Is this statement is right or wrong? Wrong. So, because Tweety hide the top in a boot, not in a bag. So, bag is wrong. There should be a boot. So, the answer will be false. Now, come on. Exercise B. Read the sentences and answer the question. Students, in this exercise, first of all, you have to read this sentence, and on the basis of this sentence, you have to give answer. Now, come on, question number first. Who could not put on one boot? Who could not put on one boot? Zozo could not put on one boot because there was something stuck in it, and the something was a top of Jojo. So, Jojo could not put on one boot is the answer. Now, come on, question number 2. Why could not he put on the boot? Why could not Jojo put on the boot? Answer will be he could not put on the boot because there was something stuck in it. Because there was something, and the something was a top. Top was stuck in his boot. So, he could not put on one boot. Now, students, come on. Next exercise. Exercise C. Write question for the given answer. Choose from the box. Students, in this exercise, you have to choose the question. This is the hint box, and you have to choose. There is answer is given in this exercise, and you have to choose question from the hint box according to the answer. So, student, this is the hint box, and you have to choose answer from this hint box. Now, come on. First question. Who was Tweety? Who was Tweety? Student, I think you know very well who was Tweety because I have explained in your live classes. So you know that who was Tweety. Tweety was a baby bird. Tweety was a baby bird. Now come on, question number 2. Where did Jojo find Tweety? Jojo found Tweety in the bushes. Here question is, where did Jojo found Tweety? Jojo found Tweety in the bushes. Bushes. Now come on, question number 3. Question number 3. Why could Tweety not fly? Why could Tweety not fly? Tweety could not fly because she was hurting one wing. Tweety could not fly because she was hurting one wing. So she could not fly. Now come on, question number 4. What did Jojo give Tweety to eat? What did Jojo give Tweety to eat? I think student, you knows very well what did bird eat. Bird eat insect. So Jojo gave Tweety insect to eat. Student, now come on, exercise D. Write the group name for each set of words. So students, in this exercises, you have to write the group name for each set of the words. And there is a hint box. From this hint box, you have to choose the word and write at the blank space. Now, come on first. Cricket, Ludo, chess and hockey. What we call collectively? Cricket, Ludo, chess and hockey. What we call it? Collectively, we call game. So students, you have to choose game from this hint box and write at this blank space. Now come on, second. Duck, penguin, hen, parrot. What we call duck, penguin, hen, parrot collectively? We call birds. So student, you have to choose bird from this hint box and write at this blank space. Now come on, third. Apple, guava, pear, mango. So student, what we call apple, guava, pear, mango collectively? We call fruit. And you have to choose fruit from this hint box and write at this blank space. Now come on, fourth. Table, chair, sofa, bed. So student, what we call collectively? Table, chair, sofa, bed. I think you knows that and you have studied about in your earlier classes. So you know that very well what we call collectively table, chair, sofa, bed. So student, we call furniture. So you have to choose furniture from this hint box and write at this blank space. So student, I hope you all understand about those exercises and you have to do these exercises in your classwork copy, and tomorrow I will check these exercises in your live class. So student, I hope you all understand very well. Thank you.